Google Display Network, GDN, ad formats. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners on Google Display Network, GDN, ad formats, covering various formats that allow you to showcase your ads across a wide range of websites, apps, and videos. Step 1. Access Google Ads. Log in to your Google Ads account or create one if you haven't already. Navigate to the Campaigns section to get started with your GDN campaign. Step 2. Create a display campaign. 1. Click on the Plus Campaign button and choose New Campaign. 2. Select the Display campaign type to create a GDN campaign. Step 3. Choose your campaign settings. 1. Set your campaign name, budget, and bidding strategy. 2. Define your geographic targeting, language preferences, and other campaign settings. Step 4. Create an ad group. 1. Within your campaign, click on Plus Ad Group to create a new ad group. 2. Name your ad group and set your bid. Step 5. Choose ad formats. 1. After creating an ad group, it's time to choose your ad formats. Here are the main ad formats available on the GDN. A. Responsive display ads. 1. Choose Responsive as your ad format. 2. Enter your business name and final URL. 3. Add a logo, images, headlines, and descriptions. 4. Google's system will automatically create ads that fit different ad spaces. B. Image ads. 1. Choose Image as your ad format. 2. Upload images that meet the required dimensions and specifications. 3. Enter ad details such as headlines, descriptions, and URLs. 4. Preview your ad to ensure it looks as intended. C. Text ads. 1. Choose Text as your ad format. 2. Write compelling headlines and descriptions. 3. Enter your display and final URLs. 4. You can also add optional ad extensions to enhance your ad's visibility. D. Video ads. 1. Choose Video as your ad format. 2. Upload your video ad or choose one from YouTube. 3. Fill in details like ad name, headline, descriptions, and URLs. 4. Ensure your video ad is engaging and relevant to your target audience. Step 6. Set targeting and placements. 1. Define your audience targeting. You can choose demographics, interests, behaviors, keywords, topics, and more. 2. Decide whether you want automatic placements or manual placements on specific websites, apps, or videos. Step 7. Set bids and budget. 1. Set your bids for your ad group. Google Ads provides bidding suggestions, but you can adjust as needed. 2. Allocate your budget to your ad group to control spending. Step 8. Review and launch. 1. Review your campaign settings, ad formats, targeting, and budget. 2. Once you're satisfied, click Save or Launch to start your GDN campaign. Step 9. Monitor and optimize. 1. Regularly monitor your campaign's performance metrics such as impressions, clicks, center, and conversions. 2. Use Google Ads reporting tools to gain insights into how your ads are performing. Step 10. Adjust and iterate. 1. Based on your campaign data, adjust your targeting, bids, and ad formats as needed. 2. Test different ad variations and strategies to optimize your campaign's effectiveness. By following these steps, beginners can navigate the world of Google Display Network ad formats and effectively create campaigns that showcase their products or services across a diverse range of online platforms. Remember to continuously analyze your campaign's performance and make improvements to achieve better results over time. Advantages of using the Google Display Network, GDN. Here are the advantages of using the Google Display Network, GDN, for your advertising efforts. 1. Extensive reach. The GDN boasts a massive network of websites, apps, and videos, reaching billions of users daily. This vast reach allows you to connect with a diverse and global audience, increasing the visibility of your brand and products. 2. Visual engagement. The GDN supports a variety of rich media formats, including images, videos, and interactive ads. These visually engaging formats capture users' attention more effectively than text-only ads, helping you create memorable and impactful brand experiences. 3. Brand awareness. Display ads contribute significantly to building brand awareness. By displaying your ads across a wide range of websites and platforms, you can establish a strong online presence and increase brand recognition among your target audience. 4. Diverse ad formats. The GDN offers a range of ad formats to suit your campaign goals, from image and video ads to responsive display ads. This flexibility allows you to tailor your creative approach based on your audience and messaging. 5. Targeting precision. GDN provides various targeting options, including demographics, interests, behaviors, keywords, and more. This precise targeting ensures that your ads are shown to users who are most likely to be interested in your offerings, improving the relevancy of your ads. 6. Remarketing opportunities. With remarketing, you can re-engage users who have previously interacted with your website or ads. This feature helps you stay top of mind for users who are already familiar with your brand, increasing the likelihood of conversions. 7. Cost-effective pricing. Compared to some other advertising platforms, GDN often offers more cost-effective pricing options. This makes it a great choice for businesses with limited budgets or those looking to achieve a high ROI. 8. Flexible budgeting. GDN allows you to set your own budget, giving you control over your spending. You can start with a small budget and scale up as you see positive results, ensuring efficient use of your resources. 9. Performance tracking and reporting. Google Ads provides comprehensive reporting tools that allow you to monitor and analyze the performance of your GDN campaigns. You can track metrics such as impressions, clicks, conversions, and more to gain valuable insights into your campaign's effectiveness. 10. Cross-device targeting. GDN supports cross-device targeting, allowing you to reach users across various devices such as smartphones, tablets, and desktops. This ensures consistent ad experiences and maximizes your chances of conversions. 11. Customization and testing. You can customize your campaigns based on audience segments and test different ad creatives, targeting options, and ad placements to find the most effective combinations. 12. Access to Google's network. Being part of Google's ecosystem means you benefit from Google's advanced algorithms, machine learning, and sophisticated targeting methods, leading to more efficient and targeted ad placements. In conclusion, the Google Display Network offers a plethora of advantages for advertisers, from its extensive reach and visual engagement capabilities to precise targeting options and flexible budgeting. Leveraging the GDN can help you create impactful brand experiences, increase awareness, and drive conversions among a wide and diverse audience.